Welcome. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to do a controlled hip hinge. The goal here is, again, to help teach your body where healthy movement is as opposed to just throwing yourself down. So we're going to get into a stance where your feet are hip width apart. Okay, knees need to stay soft. All right, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see the hinge. Okay, so my hips are right here. And the first thing that I like to think about is keeping my spine long and soft at the same time. So I'm just going to kind of lift everything first, knees soft, and then only bend at the hips and come down in a controlled way. And then when we get to where we think 90 degrees is, we're going to pause there and hang out. If you have your candle's breath, use the candle's breath to come down. And then when you're ready to come up, we're going to use the candle's breath again. And we want to keep that spine nice and long. You saw how I relaxed and arched my thoracic spine. So try to keep yourself long. And inhale, exhale your candle's breath and come up nice and easy. Okay, when you come up, think about the weight coming into the back of the heel so that your glutes engage, your hamstrings engage. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and repeat. So make the spine long, come forward, come to 90 degrees, and then come back up, nice and easy. Now, if you are pregnant, particularly toward the end of the pregnancy, you may need a wider stance to accommodate for the belly. That is just fine. You can do this in a wider stance. So I'll demonstrate here, just coming down. And inhale, exhale your candle's breath. Get that weight into the heels, helping to engage the muscles up the back line of the body. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you find this helpful.